Here's how to get Prime Student without a .edu email. So Prime Student has become Amazon Prime for young adults, which means if you click the link in the description, it'll take you to this page where you can get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime and then only pay half price after that if you're between 18 and 24 years old. You don't even have to be a student. You can also verify as a student, but if you're on this video and you don't have a .edu email, but you're within that age range, you can get this 6-month free trial. You would try Amazon Prime for young adults, and then it'll take you to this page. You can verify as a student, but if you don't have that email, then you just verify as an 18 to 24-year-old. And that is how you can get Amazon Prime Student, which is now Amazon Prime for young adults, without that email address. You also get 5% cash back, which you don't get on Amazon Prime, the regular account. Only get it on this young adults account. If you're not between 18 and 24 years old, you can still get 30 days free of Amazon Prime, and then you'll pay the full price after that. You can scroll down a little bit and see if you qualify for Prime Access. It should be somewhere down here, right here, where you can get up to 50% off if you have qualified government assistance, etc. But Amazon Prime for students or Amazon Prime for young adults, 6-month free trial, and then half price after that. Don't have to have that .edu email address.